Want to see someone who's totally clueless about their surroundings? Stick around. Some people need a refresher in yielding the right of way.
Dual turn fail.
Wow, that was quite an impact. Forward progress foiled by a bus again.
And now it's time for Atlanta's favorite pastime, red light running.
It felt weird driving on the wrong side of the road next to a cop. This driver goes from one side of the road to the other in front of a police station.
Now for a cutoff montage.
I'm stuck in bumper to bumper traffic, so let the chaos begin. You may have thought you were taking a shortcut around traffic, but it didn't work. And finally, some drivers have no spatial awareness, and here's one of them. Sure, the road is newly paved, but the lane markings have already been made. Let's fast forward until the driver realizes there's a problem. Two drivers attempt to make a left-hand turn and realize there's no room. They're forced to go around the concrete island to complete their turn. It's at this point the driver abandons the attempt to make a left-hand turn and just decides to go right.